The 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe is making waves with its bold redesign, innovative tech, and adventurous spirit. With a more rugged look, increased capability, and a focus on both family comfort and outdoor readiness, this SUV is stepping into new territory and doing it with confidence. Exterior design. The Santa Fe's exterior has undergone a dramatic transformation for 2025. It now boasts a boxier, more rugged silhouette inspired by off-road utility vehicles. A wide stance, H-shaped LED lights, bold grille, and squared-off wheel arches give it a distinctive, almost Land Rover-esque vibe. Roof rails, skid plates, and higher ground clearance enhance its adventurous appeal, making it feel more overland-ready than ever. Interior. Step inside, and it's a whole different world. The 2025 Santa Fe features a more premium and practical cabin, with a panoramic curved display that merges the digital gauge cluster and infotainment system. The third row is roomier, materials are more upscale, and there's an increased focus on storage and utility, including a clever tailgate design and new cargo space layout. Hyundai's minimalist design approach keeps things clean and user-friendly, while ambient lighting and available Nappa leather elevate the feel. Performance. Under the hood, the Santa Fe offers a choice of powertrains, including a turbocharged 2.5L engine and a hybrid option, both focused on efficiency and everyday usability. While it's not a hardcore off-roader, the available H-Track all-wheel drive system with terrain modes, snow, mud, sand, enhances its capability for light adventuring. Ride comfort is smooth and composed, making it a solid daily driver with enough power for weekend getaways. Safety features. Hyundai continues to prioritize safety, and the 2025 Santa Fe is no exception. It comes standard with Hyundai SmartSense, which includes forward collision avoidance assist, blind spot collision warning, lane keeping assist, and driver attention warning. Additional features like highway driving assist 2 and a 360-degree camera are available for higher trims, offering peace of mind in every driving scenario. Market position. With this bold redesign, Hyundai is positioning the Santa Fe to bridge the gap between urban family SUVs and rugged outdoor adventurers. It now competes more directly with mid-size crossovers like the Honda Passport, Subaru Outback, and Toyota RAV4, while flirting with more premium off-roaders in terms of style and presence. For buyers wanting capability and style without luxury SUV prices, the 2025 Santa Fe hits a sweet spot. Outro. The 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe isn't just a refresh, it's a reinvention. With its rugged new look, upgraded interior, and balanced performance, it's ready for anything from school drop-offs to mountain getaways. Whether you're an urban commuter or a weekend explorer, this SUV offers a compelling blend of versatility, value, and presence.